Welcome everyone. My name is Imangi Tantis and I am from AI department and my role in the project is AI engineering.
Welcome everyone. My name is Nudraj and I am from EN department and my role in the project is front-end developer.
Welcome everyone. My name is Athuro Bari. I am from computer department and I am UI UX designer and from the engineering expert. My name is Adarsh Shah. I am from CO department in Diploma. I am backend developer in this project.
And we all are from diploma section. Now let us go us towards our video, our Nexa poll, which is our project. This is our main code where we have wrote in VS Code and then is a website Nextaco. What does Nextaco exactly do? There are three pages, education, finance, and health, where user can get in detailed information. Now, who are going to use our website? First, employees, corporate employees, and second is students. How did you use? I will see in detailed manner in the dashboard. And we will buy a website again business model, own institutions, and college management. How the will go towards login. Here, the login pages are using Google Authentication and it is fully working. We are using Firebase for database management and all the things are being stored on the back. And we have successfully logged into our dashboard. These are some sections. Now we'll go into education section where what exactly user will do. They will input their information like bachelor's degree, basic information which is required, and they will get a detailed dashboard or like a PDF of the solutions. And we have to add some basic skills, but for now, let it be normal. Or will as our course is also working. Our course will be five. Here we are get recommendation what we have to do. Like for mail the full stack development course on Udemy and all. Here by clicking on view details, we can view them in a detailed manner and enroll on them. So these are some skills which we have to develop according to our degree. Okay, then there's the help button. Here we can take a selfie or upload one. So we'll upload one selfie here, click on analytics. It will give you 15 factor of analytics on basis of your face. Now there are various factors like your eye movement, wrinkle, dark circles, pimples, your smile, everything. It's all depending on this, it generates detailed information using CV and OpenCV and DeepL. API, okay? There's a mental state also. The physical calculus working. In physical, we have to get basic information here and through from here also. But user can also get this manually or by voice as well. We will see payment transaction history and one can do payment from here. Example, yeah. So that it will generate a QR code here. By scanning this QR code, it is showing that it is a demo for Necta code. As the QR code and payment is just a demo in our website for now. Then there is a scan QR from where user can scan. Now due to recording, the scan option is not working. Or user can upload as well normally. Then there is a goals section where it is being updated goals depending upon our which we have read in our past. Then report section where we can download detailed report. Okay, that's it. Those are the main things which will be included in our website. By clicking download, it will take us here. Detailed information will be generated in the PDF format. The user can download. Okay, these are the four reports and comprehensive report is the overall report of education health on finance report. Now there is one more section called attendance section. Here we can give the attendance. Okay, technically this rest the paid one. But yeah. So from here, per day user can do a two attendance. For example, I click on present. Now here, it will take a GPS location for this. One more. We can do more because we have reached the final. Here we can see overall our attendance history. Then there is a calendar where we can schedule all our things. Like on 5, it is 4, it is showing that I was absent. But now, as I attend myself here in the attendance section, so it will be present there. In profile, here user can, I can change the profile picture as well. Here the name, phone number, email ID, everything is taken from the authentication, Google authentication. So I can change my password as well in settings. Even this is also working. Okay. In notification tab, here we can on and off all the settings. Yeah. This is the main thing of website. On the main part, which is chat box. Here I have inputted some images, which is reading the images and giving the answers. Now here I said that I'm a beginner and give me a workout plan, especially to do at home, to lose weight. This is giving sudden take a detailed workout plan where the user has to do some basic exercises which is mentioned there. And your user can give information through three ways: manually typing, by voice, third by uploading images. Here in the above, I wrote that I'm a diabetes patient. See, hello, I'm a diabetes patient. And nowadays I'm facing a lot of issues in terms of health and everything. Give me a minimal option. It asks me what is your cost and everything. I wrote the cost, 500 rupees per week, then vegetarian, everything. And after doing that, it also gives a detailed plan, as we said, to everyone here will get a detailed information regarding their health and all. Thank you, everyone.